Good morning. Steve has shit to do. Saturday on this damn boat project. I hate to tell this kid with bad news, but we got some issues. But I've been working on it. You know, issues just come with money, and you know, money just more work. So I'm gonna have to tell this kid, man, you need to make some money and keep making some money, and if you want to make this boat right, you're gonna have to spend some money. But here we are. I'll show you what's up. All right, I got this thing pretty down, stripped down, but I kind of opened the cap up just on the front half. They cut this right here before. I recut it right back the same way, and they did a shit job. Oh my God, whoever did this. Look, no drainage. I mean, if it got high enough to there, it'd drain out, but it would never drain out of here. So I don't know what they were doing there. Well, it might be some drainage here. It's kind of closed. A little bit of drainage there. But here they didn't. Here's where they put the fuel tank to counterweight that big ass engine. So we understand why they did this, but they did such a bad job, you couldn't get to anything. The sending unit wasn't working. There was no way to get to it. The only space you had was this little hole there, and there's no way to get through here. You know, and those little holes to get to any of this, to service it, like nothing. This was an awful spot on top of the deck. I hated it. But worst thing I see, it's just pretty rotted. You know? Yeah, main stringer right in the middle is pretty rotted. So that's bad news. Bad news. Other than that, no support there. Some kind of rig support here. It's not even attached. So there's a lot of work to do on this boat. It's just money. So yeah, that's where we're at. Steve has shit to do, and I'm happy to do it, man. But I hate doing half-ass shit. You know, I don't want to just throw this boat together and make it look pretty. I like doing stuff the right way. You know, got to see what this kid wants to do, and if he wants to spend the money on it. If not, I'd recommend finding another hole that's in good shape, throw that engine on it, and have a good running boat. But it's kind of unsafe, you know, having rotted stringers and stuff. Get out there in a fast boat like this, hit a wave, some bitch breaks right in half or something. There's no foam in there, it's gonna sink. But yeah, that's where I'm at today. Happy Saturday. Thanks for watching. We got a little bit done, got some cleaning. I got a lot of glue off because they had that 3M cheap Timu Decade crap all over it. Got everything stripped for the most part, and cleaned up. Been working at it all day. It's evening time. Couldn't even tell you what time it is right now, but it's probably close to 5:30. Oh. Clean some of this up, pressure washer. End up putting this paint stripper just all over, and it helped get a lot of that glue off and some of this old cheap paint in the floor. But yeah, got this thing stripped out. I got a big mess to deal with here. That's where we're at for the day. Yeah, lots of work, lots of work. Boats are fun. Boats are fun until they're not. That's what I tell everybody. Boats are fun until they're not. Yeah, I'm just more focusing on the inside right now. It's a lot of work in there, so I want to try to get some of that fixed and fix this cap back and glassed over, and we got some hatches coming for here. It's gonna be a lot better when I get done. This thing was a absolute nightmare of a mess. So yeah, stay in tune. I'll show you how this old baby comes out. Like and keep following. If you want to see more boats and this thing finished, follow me. Give us a like. Thank you.